Alright guys, welcome back. Another repair video for you. And today we're actually going to be fixing the hatch struts in my 06 Honda Pilot. You can see they don't go up like they're supposed to. You kind of have to help it up and then push it and then it stays. So they're pretty much wore out. It's these guys right here. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Stick it in between that right there, pop the clip out, pops off of the there, and then this one's the same way. Stick a flathead in here and pop it off. Same way over here, but you want to do them at one at a time. You don't want to do them both together unless you got something holding this up. And really and truly, I'm still going to get something to put in a brace to hold it up to here so it doesn't fall, because I have a feeling once I remove one of them, it's going to come falling down. And this gate, lift gate, is not lightweight by no means at all. This pretty much will cover from 03 to 08 on the Pilots, whether it's four-wheel drive or not. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's they're all the same. So get you on the tripod and I'll get something to brace this thing up so I can take the struts off. Alright, I'm going to start with the left side first. Here is the part number, Mighty Lift C95374, or the other one at the bottom, which is 4373, made in Turkey. Yeah, that's great. Mighty Lift from AutoZone. With my discount, it's like 20 bucks a piece, something like that. So they only go, you can mix them up, but make sure you put them on the right way as they came off, meaning the fat part, as you can see, of the strut goes at the top. The skinny part, which is this part, goes down here, as you see here. So go ahead and pop this one off. It'll be a lot more difficult than I thought. It should pop off. Let me get another flathead. Make sure you have one hand on holding the hatch up, just in case. Oh yeah. Yep. Definitely gonna have to do that. Alright. Everything's coming down. Pops into place. Turn it around, because it ain't lining up. Uh-oh. There we go. That ought to do it. Yep. Alright, so now moving on to the other side. Only thing I see the difference is the original is fatter down here than this one. But if you line them up perfectly, you see the difference. Fat one's on the left, which is original. The new one's on the right. Shouldn't have a problem now with after I've done one, but you never really know. You still want to keep your hand on it so the thing don't fall on your head. I've actually had one of these fall, and let me say, it don't feel good. Alright. Oh yeah, one don't even hold this thing. Gracious, this sucker's always a lot. Junk. Pop it on, just like so. Turn this one around. Alright. That should do it. Let's test it out. So much better. I don't even have to touch it now. It goes right up like it's supposed to. You might want to do this a couple of times after you replace them, just to kind of, so to speak, recharge the shock inside. Just to make sure. Yeah, so much better. Alright guys, I guess it's going to do it for today's video, and I hope this helps out, fixes, or helps, whatever, for whatever you were looking for, to help do your own repair at home yourself, instead of taking it to some shop and spending X amount of money having something so simple. As you've seen, it took 5 minutes to do yourself. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate it. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and have a notification bell on, so every time I upload, you get the notification. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.